Ngayon naman mga ka-MB, pag-usapan natin ang ganda na hatid ng Benguet. Dahil sabi nga nila, hindi lang ito sa lugar nakikita, kundi sa mga muka ng nakatira dito. Oh, di ba? Alam mo yon, Miss Angelica?
Oo, kasi taga doon ako, no?
Oh.
Taga La Trinidad Benguet po ang magandang babaeng. Wow!
Oo,
nag-claim
kaya
na
nga
siya.
sabi ko, bakit wala siya sa screening? Diyos.
Pero nandiyan nga ang screen na yan.
Screening saan nga ba yan?
Oo
Ako
nga.
alamin natin dito sa Big Bigat. Pageant season na nga, mga ka-MV. Oo, marami na yan. Kaya ngayon naman, pag-usapan natin ang Miss Universe Philippines Benguet. Kasama nga natin ngayon si Sir Carlton John Araboy, ang Vice President ng Miss Universe Philippines Benguet. Good morning po.
Hello po, good morning.
At syempre kasama din natin ang Chief Creative Director ng Miss Universe Philippines Benguet, si Sir Bert Danao Cabusi.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Kamusta
Musta
po
po ang
kayo?
morning natin?
It's a beautiful day, of course, sa
Yes.
Baguio and Benguet. Okay, so sa mga nanonood dyan out there,
Yeah,
binabati po namin kayo. Hello po.
Kayo, Sir Carl.
Yeah, it's really good morning and a beautiful morning to each and every one of us, lalo na sa mga nanonood dito. And of course, kanina pa ulan pero nawala.
Kaya
and
nga.
the weather is good and fine dito sa Benguet and
Yeah.
of course, Cordillera.
Kumanta kasi ako kahapon, so natakot si Kiko.
Oo nga, kahit sino matatakot sa kanta mo.
Grabe ka naman, pero walang matatakot sa ganda.
Totoo.
Na for sure, ibibida.
Ng
Oo,
Benguet.
ng Miss Universe Philippines Benguet. Kasi imagine, di ba, very successful yung last na kandidata,
Diba?
si Maiko.
Oo.
na nakausap din dito mismo sa studio ng Morning Ballet Talk.
Grabe.
Kamusta naman po yung last na Miss Universe Philippines Benguet kay Maiko? How was it? Oo.
Actually, kay Maiko, it was so successful. And ayun, we gained such factor. Actually, we got 24 sa top 24. So, meron po tayong ibubuga sa pageantry, lalong-lalo na dito sa Universe.
Nung pinanood ko yun, inabangan ko doon sa Benguet. Grabe,
Oo.
from Sinsot, Lord!
Ang ganda, di ba?
Ang
At
ganda
yung
niya.
training niya, talagang ibang-iba nga naman. Makikita nga natin ngayon yung litrato niya. Oo, talagang powerful. Oh, di ba?
Ay, ikaw ang nakita!
Bakit may music? Ay, thank you po.
Thank you po.
I miss Maiko.
Wow! Oh,
Yan,
diba?
oh. Diba? Ibang-iba. So ngayon, yung ginagawa po natin ay screening na ng bagong Miss Universe Philippines Benguet. Kamusta po yung pag-uumpisa natin this year?
Actually, for this year, we are going to have the pageant proper. Last year kasi, we appointed Maiko Ibarde for the Miss Universe Philippines pageant. Now, we are looking for the official candidates para sa iba't ibang mga municipalities, 13 municipalities of Benguet, to represent, of course, the Miss Universe Philippines 2026. She is the Miss Universe Philippines 2026 to be represented Miss Universe sa ating stage next year. So ongoing yung screening natin last Friday and last Saturday, I guess. So naging successful naman ang mga preparations and lahat naman ng mga handlers, lahat ng mga anticipated candidates na gustong mag-join ng Miss Universe Philippines is talagang nag-join sila at talagang nakipag-screening naman sila for Miss Universe Philippines Benguet.
Paano po ba yung process ng screening sa bawat kandidata po?
Okay, for the process of Miss Universe Philippines Benguet naman, it's very easy. We actually posted a form. They will be filling up the form para po mabilisan na lang tayo sa datas and everything. And then, first part, of course, they will be signing the non-disclosure agreement, of course. In every activities or in every org, kailangan po ng non-disclosure agreement, and at the same time yung kanilang mga platforms, yung kanilang mga advocacies, mga ganyan. So after that, we will be having more panels or organization panels para mag-screen sa kanila. Tatanungin namin sila for like more questions or certain questions para naman makita natin or matest natin on how are they going to answer yung sinasabi natin grace under pressure, mga ganyan. So, kailangan nating makita yon kasi last year, yun yung mga naging kailangan ng ating pambato, which is na i-deliver naman ng mabuti ni Miss Maiko Ibarde. So yun.
Ang galing, no? Kailangan talaga yon yung grace under pressure. Ang meron lang kasi sa akin, pressure. Walang
grace. Same.
Sana
same.
pala nag-screening
Nagpa-screen
din ako.
tayo, no?
Ano po yung paghahandang ginawa ng team po before itong screening po natin?
Actually, dito sa may Miss Universe Benguet, we did a lot of things preparing for the pageant. Kasi malapit na siya. So, of course, now, pumupunta po kami sa establishment and also kinakausap natin yung mga taong gustong mag-sponsor at the same time to market their product and also their establishment here in Benguet. Lalong-lalo na, we priority the local ones.
Yes, kailangan yan. Yes, sir. May dagdag po kayo.
Yeah, to add on that, actually we are getting those sponsors not for the sponsorship. We are going to collab with them para naman mailabas yung kani-kanilang mga advocacies ng ating mga girls, right? So, we are actually getting them to empower the advocacies of our women, mga candidates natin for Miss Universe Philippines Benguet, para ma-amplify yung voices dito sa, sa province.
Kasi ganun talaga siya, di ba? Sa mga pageants, alam natin that everyone has their own advocacies.
Yes.
At hindi lang siya mismo sa stage kasi ng pageant na pinapakita. Outside of that, dapat meron na silang ginagawa.
Oo.
Ano po yung aspeto ng kultura ng Benguet, yung mga madadala ng pageant na ito sa stage po?
Actually, yung binadang. That's the aspect. Kasi dito magtutulungan tayong lahat to promote, of course, the tourism and also the local product of Benguet. So makakatulong po tayo lahat. And this platform, it's not only here sa atin, dito sa Benguet, but also sa international or sa national stage na po natin dadalhin.
Every candidate naman po na screen na natin is may mga advocacy na po sila, no?
Yes, they are ready and they are also ready to showcase their advocacy in this platform na Miss Universe Benguet. We are helping them.
Paano po nila ito na isasama sa kanilang pageant journey, itong advocacy po nila?
For this advocacy po kasi, for their pageant journey, sila po ang may alam. At the same time, they will support that advocacy in their own. And we are just helping them to support. And of course, in Miss Universe Benguet, we have a lot of advocacy. We are helping people. Like for example, our activities in Miss Universe Benguet this coming month, marami po tayong CSR, marami tayong matutulungan na bata, mga homeless, and of course, yung mga deaf and mute, yung mga blind. So, matutulungan and we will touch their life as well.
Yeah, to just give you a hint sa mga nag-screening last time. So we got advocacies like Thank You Mama for single parents. We also have yung mga risk reduction management, mga ganyan. So mga kakaibang advocacies na talagang kailangan ding tutukan. Last time kasi for Maiko Ibarde's advocacy, she brought up farmers. Farmers, of course, here in Benguet, yung kani-kanilang mga struggles and farmers as a profession. So, kailangan i-level natin ang farmers as a profession din. Kasi here in the Philippines, kasi sila yung one of the source, they are the source of our food. So, sila yung pinakakailangan dito sa, not only here in Benguet, but in the whole Philippines.
Yes, exactly. Dahil kung walang magsasaka sa Pilipinas, lahat tayo mga Pilipino, gutom!
Nga! Charet. Oo, totoo yan.
Walang mangyayari! Ganyan. Pero ano po yung impact nito nga pageant na ganito sa mga kabataan, especially sa mga kababaihan po ng Benguet?
For the impact naman po, they will be very empowered, of course. Yan yung lagi nating naririnig sa mga women joining pageants. They feel confident. Lalo pat very diverse ang edition ng Miss Universe natin nowadays. So, as long as you're a woman, as long as you got the poise, the grace, and the confidence, you can join Miss Universe Philippines. Yes, it doesn't matter if you are a mother. It doesn't matter if you are a plus size. it's up to you to join, or it's your choice to join Miss Universe Philippines Benguet. We are opening our hands and we are opening our doors to all the women aspiring to become the Miss Universe Philippines.
Kailan pinag-start yung screening
Opo,
ninyo?
Friday?
Actually, last 2 weeks ago, so we
Oh.
started the screening. So, until now, actually, pwede pa.
Ongoing pa siya.
Ongoing pa.
Pwede pa po kayong mag-screen.
Hanggang
so,
kailan po?
Opo.
hanggang next week po.
Next week.
Yes.
Di ba? Mahaba-haba
So,
pang oras.
Watch out for the
Updates. Yes.
through our social media account, lalo na dito sa Facebook. So, we have MUPH Benguet po.
Oo, tinignan ko nga din yun eh. Sabi ko, mag-a-apply na yata talaga ako.
Ako, nag-aabang
Oo.
talaga ako.
So
Feeling-
far,
nakakainis.
nakailan na po tayo?
For we have actually 15 to 18, I guess. 15 to 18 candidates na. So we are screening them. We are deliberating some of those candidates. Future candidates, deliberating pa lang po tayo sa ibang candidates, and hindi pa po na-announce yung iba, but there were some na na-announce na. So, abangan po natin yung mga pasabog ng iba't ibang mga candidates.
Pero ilan po
Opo,
yung target
ilang?
natin
Opo.
na candidates
Candidates.
para sa coronation night?
For the target, actually wala kaming target eh. Wala kaming target na candidate, as long as madami yung mag-screen. Pero if possible, ang una naming target was 12. Now nagulat kami, 15 to 18 na yata yung nag-pass. So
Wow.
it's
God.
overwhelming sa part namin kasi wow, it's a new pageant. It's actually a new pageant and tinatangkilik siya ng nakararami. So, nakaka-overwhelm lang.
To add on that po, actually, this is a new pageant in our franchise. But before, meron na po siyang Miss Universe, pero wala po siyang Miss Universe Benguet franchise.
Bale, ito na po ang pangalawa, right?
Yes, this is our second. But, nung una, meron pong na tayong representative from
Yeah.
Benguet din.
Yes.
Miss Jomai
Mm-mm.
before.
Yes.
Yeah, and yun. And then, yun. Nakuha po ng, of course, taga Benguet ang franchise din.
Kasi, di ba, kailangan.
Nakakatuwa nga eh. Yes po.
Yes, to add up lang, I just want to shout out yung ating local director, of course, Miss Winona Luis Galvan. She is actually in Australia to do some stuff para sa Miss Universe Philippines Benguet. So, ayun, siya yung local director namin. And we have also here Mr. Rain, the marketing, and VP, external of Miss Universe Philippines Benguet. So, yun, we are hand in hand helping each other to make this event possible.
Habang ginagawa niyo po ito, like second year niyo na po, paano rin po siya nakakatulong sa inyo bilang organizers?
For us organizers po, talagang nakakatulong siya, lalong-lalo na we are promoting. And of course, the cause and yung mga kailangan dito sa Miss Universe Benguet, lalong-lalo na yung mga sinusupport natin na NGO. Yeah, yung mga charity natin. So, we are very excited. Kasi nga, this is a good platform para mabahagi natin sa kanila kung anong meron po tayong lahat.
Kasi very rich in culture, tradition ng Benguet.
Totoo.
And through some events like this pageant, na ipapakita yun eh. Meron namang cultural attire. 'Di ba? So, dun pa lang maipapakita na nila yung kultura na dala-dala ng Benguet.
Totoo yan. Alam mo na, na-excite na ako. Nung nalaman ko pong ngayong buwan na po ng September po gaganapin, no?
September,
To
the
October.
activities, yeah. And then the October is the grand
Coronation.
coronation night.
Nakakalo.
May date na po tayo.
May date na.
Tentative po tayo for the coronation night is 3rd week of October. Wala pang specific date, pero the activities, the coronation would be 3rd week of October.
So, i-check lang po natin sa Facebook page ng Miss Universe Philippines Benguet yung mga updates regarding po dito sa paparating na koronasyon. Gabi ng koronasyon ng ganda ng Benguet.
Ang aabangan ko dito yung paglabas nila ng mga candidates. Kasi may naabangan talaga ako dyan. May hahanapin talaga ako dyan.
Bakit?
Oo.
May galit ka sa kanya? May kasalanan ba siya sa'yo?
Feeling ko may mga kakilala ako doon. Ayaw lang nilang sabihing sumali sila. Nakakainis sila. Pero aabangan ko po yan.
Ano po message natin sa lahat ng mga kababaihan ng Benguet na nagkakaroon pa rin sila ng duda. Oo, kasi syempre parang, marami ng maganda, parang ayoko, parang nahihiya ako, ganon.
Actually, at first, madami pong mga candidates or aspiring candidates na ganyan yung iniisip. Now, as of the moment, Miss Universe Philippines is, as I've said a while ago, na diverse na po tayo. We are accepting women. It doesn't matter if you are single, if you are married, widowed, or may anak ka na, single parent, it's up to you to join as long as you feel empowered, as long as you feel confident to flaunt everything about yourself, about your advocacies, you can join Miss Universe Philippines, Benguet.
Yeah, as long as you have the heart to represent Benguet. Yan po.
Yun naman yung mahalaga eh. Kasi you're wearing the sash of the place where you came from.
Diba?
So you're not just carrying yourself. You're carrying the entire
Community.
Di ba?
Totoo.
And socio-economic.
Papunta ka na doon, wala pa.
Oo. Ano po yung pasabog na kailangang antabayanan ng lahat dito sa Miss Universe Philippines Benguet Coronation Night?
Yes, actually dito, pinag-aandaan po talaga namin ito. So we're working on it. And this coming coronation night, marami po tayong pasabog and also puksaan. Like for example, the local designs, the local artists of Benguet, we will cater all of them. At the same time, mga artists din and beauty queens po na pupunta sa atin to give advices and also makakapunta sila dito for the tourism din. Ipopromote natin, of course, ang tourism ng Benguet.
Parang na-excite ako doon, mga beauty
Oo.
queens sa pupunta sa Benguet. Parang,
Teka lang, wala akong time, sasabihin mo?
Pasabog yata talaga yan, bakla.
Totoo. Akala ko sasabihin mo, wala akong time.
Ha?
Wala.
Siyempre, hindi ko pwedeng sabihin yun.
Hindi pwede. Okay.
Malay mo, isa ako sa mga pasabog. Ha? Ikaw yung pumutok dun sa stage, bakla. Yes po.
To add on that naman, we will be catering a lot of activities, of course. Abangan po natin yung mga venues. Ayan, abangan po natin yung mga venues. Actually, meron kami isang venue napakasikat ngayon. So, abangan po ninyo yung ating venue for that. And for the coronation's venue naman, ayan, isang pasabog and the production. Ayan, we will make sure na magiging maganda yung kalalabasan ng production as your creative director ng Miss Universe Philippines. We will be able to, get a lot of magagaling na tao para lang magpasabog for the grand coronation. As you've seen naman dun sa ating candidate last year, so we got a lot of designers, good designers like Aaron Montoya.
Yeah.
We had Leo Almodovar. We had Seven Barreto for the photographers and a lot more.
And of course, Mami Reggie,
Reggie
Cruz,
the
stylists.
Ayan, yung mga A-class natin na talagang sinuport ng Miss Universe Philippines Benguet Org yung mga yan.
Nako.
And of course, the local designers natin na magagaling talaga.
Mga
They are supporting us.
like Tapis and Baag, mga ganyan.
Yes.
Mga nag-support talaga sa atin nung journey natin. Lahat ng mga even also the government officials, right? So lahat naman sila hand in hand naman sila na tumulong naman para sa ating journey last year. So I hope they will be supporting us this year, and yun po, we will be getting this chance na din to call for some of the sponsors na would like to collab on Miss Universe Philippines organization. Ayan, if you would like to collab with us, so please just follow us on our social media accounts, Miss Universe Philippines Benguet po.
Yun naman yung mahalaga dun. Hindi naman mabubuo ang isang production kapag walang tutulong.
Totoo.
Sabi nga nila, yung buong production, yun yung husband. Behind that is the wife. Pero eto are the wives. Madami dapat yan. Para mabuo siya bilang isang pamilya.
Totoo. Ay, nakaka-excite.
Mensahe po natin, Sir Carl.
Ayun, keep on supporting MUPH Benguet po. So this coming September 2nd week, so we have activities na po. For the girls, makikita-kita na po tayo. Yan, so mga nag-screen. So I think more than 12, sabi nga ni Sir Bert kanina, yung kukunin natin. So in deliberating, madami po kaming ginawa to deliberate. Of course, number 1 is their advocacy. Abangan din po natin yung advocacy nila. And sa mga susunod na events, of course, we have gala nights, we have sponsors day, we have sponsor shoots. So marami pa po tayong aabangan talaga.
Marketing visits, store visits, and yun, yung mga activities natin, ongoing activities.
Yes po, kayo po, mensahe po natin and final invitation.
Ayan, for all of the candidates, magkikita-kita na po tayo soon, okay? Just wait for my announcement, of course. I will be announcing some of the activities as well as the schedule of Miss Universe Philippines to all our candidates, sa mga nakapasa at sa mga papasa pa lang na Miss Universe Philippines Benguet candidate. Abang-abang lang po tayo. And of course, keep on supporting Miss Universe Philippines kahit po medyo bago ang ating pageant, okay? So, franchise. Actually, hindi na siya bago. Yung franchise lang ang bago, okay? So, we will make sure na we will be representing, you will be representing Miss Universe Philippines Benguet if you will win the pageant here in Benguet.
Yes, abangan na po nila yung mga girls, the headshots.
Malapit
Malapit na. So, their face card. So, abangan na po
Mga
natin.
face card ito.
Yes.
Siyempre, na-inspire sila kay Maiko.
Yeah.
Ay.
Also, yung kanilang mga mga requirements like tourism videos, yung mga yan, her stories, talagang aabangan natin yan. Nakita nyo yung last year, yung tourism video.
Yes.
Talagang
Ay, sayang.
kakaiba, di ba?
Bet ko yun.
Shout out to Direct Sam.
Yes, Sam Morales. Yan yung
Actually, isa yun sa mga favorite ko na napanood.
Isa yun sa
Yung-
pinakamalaki, ang views
Yes.
noon.
Maganda.
Grabe. Oo.
Pinanood ko yung paulit-ulit.
Pating headshot?
Oo,
Wow!
lahat. Sabi
Apaw.
ko, iba.
pinatry kasi namin talaga kay Mike kung ipa-immerse talaga siya sa sa culture ng Benguet. At kasi naman Igorota naman kasi talaga siya. So, yun, pinatry namin lahat. Like, pinakyat namin ng bundok, pinagkabayo namin,
Yan.
Wall climbing.
pinag-itag namin,
Oo.
lahat. Ginawa niya naman.
So, parang dito ngayon, ganun din.
Ganun
Talagang
din, of
immersion ang mangyayari talaga.
yes.
walang arte dapat ang Miss
Oo.
Universe.
Even before, syempre, even before yung coronation, like kung sino man ang makokoronahan, lahat na talaga, kailangan dapat immerse sila sa culture at tradition ng buong Benguet.
Exactly. Kasi they will be representing the province.
Hindi lang yung province, yung buong community.
Community,
Oo,
yes.
yung mga tao behind you. So, ang bigat nun.
Oo.
Oo, gaano kaya kabigat? Diyos.
Binuhat lang.
Binuhat lahat. Once again, maraming salamat
Yes
po, Sir
po.
Carl, Sir Bert, sa pagdalo po dito sa Morning Valley Taktakan. And we're really hoping, ako, excited ako na mapanood yung bongga talaga na napasabog sa production on the coronation night.
Talagang sasabog yung production.
Sasabog.
Oo.
Oo.
Wag namang sumabog.
Sasabog.
Hihiya ako. Pupunta po kami kahit alauna pa po yan matatapos. Sinasabi ko
Ay,
po.
pero parang feeling ko, eto, kwan siya. Mabilisan.
Mabilisan tayo.
Ah.
Oo.
Oo.
Very,
Pero
very-
whole day, we have an activity the whole day po.
Before the coronation night.
Yes. So,
Ay.
meron na po tayo activity the whole day. Kaya sasabihin na, kaya sinabi ko
Socializations
kanina na
na din.
pasabog sa kasiyahan.
Nakakainis
So,
na
hindi
eh.
lang mapupunta ang mga audience doon para panoorin yung coronation night, pero magiging part din sila ng buong event for the whole day.
Yes.
Ay, I like
Bongga.
that.
So they will a chance to meet them, the girls, of course, the candidates, at the same time, yung mga artists natin na i-invite and the beauty queens.
I like
And
it.
also to network. Ganyan.
Yes. Oo. Punta tayo doon. Makipag-social climbing.
Talaga pupunta ako doon. Present na ako doon.
Invited po kayong lahat.
Salamat.
Reserve ko na yung
Oo.
ticket nyo for the Grand
Ay,
Coronation Night and the
please. Oo. At
prelims.
paghahandaan ko na yung damit.
Wow.
Kailangan mas maganda ako kay Maiko that night.
Oh.
Nako, thank you once again po. Once again sa Miss Universe Philippines Benguet Facebook page for the updates po sa darating na Grand Coronation Night.